We continue with the genetics, guys. So far, we learned about the what? About the Mendelian genetics, yeah, where one trait is dominant, one allele is dominant over the other, recessive. And today, I want to ask you guys with this question: how do you think what would cause these dogs to have golden fur instead of just red or white? We learned the Mendelian genetic that dog gives a white fur because of having two recessive. We have dominant genes, we have recessive genes. Now, question, how do you think that's you will discuss in pairs, your peers? How do you think what would cause these dogs to have a golden fur instead of like just white or red? Or this cow have both of red and white? Okay, guys, discuss, please. Jaden, you may join Elaf. Discuss this question, and you will share your answers. Do you understand the question? Before, we learned the Mendelian genetics, where one gene is dominant over the other, okay? Dominant and recessive. And we all know that dominant all the time express itself. Like, let's say, if black is dominant over the white, then dog should be a black, okay? um, how do you think here we have white dog, golden fur dog, or the cow that has several colors here? Guys, feel free to answer. We accept any of your answers because we will learn this topic today. Just that's the question to brainstorm. Tyreek, how do you think? Codominance? You know the codominance?
Yeah, don't that have two dominant images?
So we're gonna learn today this pattern, why the organisms may have this mixture of two colors or both of them expressed.
The cow has codominance, right? Because it's two different colors.
No.
Yeah.
Wait,
now, today's topic is incomplete dominance and codominance. I'm gonna give you now a list of words where you need to fill the vocabulary. Definition is given, so that's the work you will be following while I'm explaining the topic. Okay. Yes, you need to write the terms. You can use your notes, you can use all this vocabulary list when you will be solving questions. Now, today's topic is incomplete dominance and codominance. The pattern that I asked you, like the why the dog has a golden fur or the cow has mixture of this expressed both of these colors, that's we call codominance. So we're gonna study this today. You will fill out the vocabulary, and then you will create your flashcard set on Quizlet. We're gonna do short game, quizzes game with the peer review. That's the agenda for today, okay? Oh, this is a non-Mendelian genetics. Guys, we learned so far with pea plant, when you cross yellow pea with the green pea, you get specific like amount of peas, green peas or yellow peas. However, here in incomplete dominance, these are the alleles are not completely dominant. So, do you see here the flower? Do you see here the flower? So, red flower, we take capital R. Cross it with a white flower, R prime, let's say R prime, okay? R prime. So, when you cross them, all of the offsprings are pink. When you see this pattern, that's the non-Mendelian genetics. and we call this incomplete dominant. So you may fill out here, how do we name, guys, how do we name the term one allele is not completely dominant over the other? Incomplete. So fill out the first term, incomplete dominance, all of you, because you need this to answer the questions. Here are two red and here are two pink. How many white flowers? Zero. Zero white flowers. Okay, guys? That's how you will solve. That is the way how you will transfer this into the Punnett square and solve it. Now, a group work, please, Zainab, you may sit together with Ender, and please, now, guys, solve this question, and some group leaders will come and write it on the board. So, okay, Ajayla, can you read the question example? Homozygous. Homozygous.
While cream-colored mice are heterozygous YW, it's two cream-colored.
Yellow is Y, white is W, and you have crossing here two, guys, you are crossing here two cream-colored mice. Cream-colored YW, YW. Yes, Zainab? Fill out this. Okay. Tyreek, come here. Help, please. Come on. No, Ander, stay there. Stay there. Please, come on, guys. Be quick. Ander, stay there. Yes. The next one. And good. Now you may sit. Ander, fill out the inside square of springs. This. You are crossing these letters. You put them together. You put them together. How you will write them? Both of these letters, right? Next, Jahiri, what will be the percentile and the phenotype? Can you come and write it?
Phenotype. What is phenotype?
Phenotype, what is phenotype?
The offspring.
The physical appearance.
Oh.
Okay. Here, yes, please write it. So how many percent, guys, how many percent of this you expect to have, let's say, yellow color? How many expect use yellow color? So what will be the letter to have a yellow?
25.
Yeah, 25%. Why? Because of, you see, why? That's the yellow color. Yes?
50,
Jaden?
50%.
How many percent will be cream color? 50%. How many will be, guys, white color?
25.
25. Good job. What is the term? The phenotypes of both alleles are expressed. So that's our next topic, codominance. Riley, your next term is codominance. Okay, your next term is codominance. Codominance. That is the phenotype when both alleles are expressed. Prefix co means like together, like co-workers, okay? Co-workers. When you see, let's say, in an example, a chicken, white chicken with the black chicken, when you cross them, you get both of these colors. And there?
In a short horn cattle, when a red bull RR is crossed with a white cow, WW. All the offsprings are grown a spotted red and white or milky red color.
And you guys can help Riley. Come on, guys. Riley, go to the board. We're gonna check all together.
Oh.
Go to the board.
If this is wrong, then I did it. No, I didn't.
What?
It should be mix. RW should be. Good job. It should be, Riley, RW. Because
So R right here.
wait. You are here mating, crossing, round. That means RW, and then the other RW. How many percent here? Red Bull. Red Bull. Red Bull, 25. How many is a white cow? How many? White cow? White cow? 25. And then that's the remaining one is 50. Now I'm gonna show you a quick video about this.
What do snapdragons, human height, and speckled chickens have in common? That's a Mendelian trait. What we're going to cover now is when these traits are non-Mendelian and they don't follow these basic rules. So let's first start by
that dominant is fully expressed over the recessive. In incomplete dominance, you have mixture of these two phenotypes, okay? Because dominant is not fully expressed. Okay, that's the short video about the incomplete dominance and codominance. Here, in incomplete dominance, you may use both of them capital letters ender, or you may use capital and lowercase letter. However, in codominance, co means like together, co-workers, okay? The prefix co means together. You must use capital letters, or you may use like in an exponential power. So guys, now it's time to grab your Chromebooks and you're gonna create your flashcard set, okay? You need to create your own vocabulary list. We're gonna check your understanding. You may use your notes, the paper that I gave it to you. If you fill out this, that is good. I all the time tell you guys that please fill out this so that you can use your notes during the assessments. Okay, now please, all of you join the quizzes and you're gonna use your notes. You are allowed to use your notes and to answer these questions. This goes as a minor assessment. So you need to solve this. You may solve it on the deck. You may write it here. How you will solve this? You need to transfer this to the Punnett square.
Isn't this 100% because they all have a B?
You need help. You have. If you see here, both of the traits, orange and black, what is this? You see the cat? Codominant. Codominant, yes. Together. Here is the pattern that results also that are mixture. Mixture is what? Mixture? Yes. In codominance, when you see both of these traits. Codominant. Why? So you see the mixture co means together. Together, that means you need to see both white and red on the flower. Yes. R, W, W. So when you cross them, what can you see here? What can you see here? 100. All of them are pink. Victor, great job. Tyreek, Elaf, great job. Almost all of you got this correct. What is the name that result in a mixture? Mixture of the patterns? Incomplete dominance. Next, what is this term? When you get a in-between color, let's say like a pink, incomplete dominance. Here, the blending is codominance. If you have a cat with both of the colors express it, you see